We think of barn owls as birds of dusk and night, haunters of the dark, creatures of the moon. So to see them hunting by day, out here along the Essex sea wall, startles me. In daylight, they resemble apparitions, the closest thing to ghosts in the bird world, flying with a supernatural vigilance. To me, they set the land over which they move alight with wildness. They pass through the air, these birds, with the silence of falling snow. Even a familiar landscape feels wild in snow. Edward Thomas, an English poet whose writing I love, knew this well. Thomas lived here in Epping Forest during the winter months of 1916 to 1917, just before he went off to fight on the Western Front. To Thomas, the forest in snow seemed even more ancient and even less inhabited. The untrodden snow made wild of the tame, he wrote, casting out all that was not wild and rustic and old, and we were glad. We had seen nothing fairer than that land.